Hello! Today I want to show you how to create a breakdown of an order in Autocost. When your order is complete, all sizes and quantities are defined, you can then switch to status order into the status breakdown. Click on the button Breakdown. A whole set of buttons for the breakdown functions will appear. If you press the Plan All button, the breakdown will be created automatically. When you switch to the Breakdown Local tab, you will see all the parameters that will be used to create your automatic breakdown. You see the marker names and the coverage of each marker of the order, the sizes in the marker, and the number of pieces, the number of plies. There's also the possibility to do the optimization with manual or half automatic mode. When the breakdown is complete, you can send the markers to automarker.com for placement. Click on the button Report. Select in the drop-down menu Create Marker Batch. Select the Automarker profile with which you want to create the markers. Then execute. A request will be sent to the CAD system, calculating the markers and uploading the markers to automarker.com for placement. You can see the progress of the placement in Autocost by placing the mouse over each marker. The lengths and efficiencies will be transferred to Autocost automatically. You can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.